Deep beneath the surface of the Pacific Ocean, a modern research submersible descends into the pitch-black silence of the Mariana Trench. Suddenly, the vessel jolts violently as a massive shadow, easily 60 feet long, eclipses the external floodlights. A pair of cold, prehistoric eyes reflect the light for a fleeting second before the gargantuan shape vanishes into the darkness, leaving the crew in stunned silence. This is not a scene from a movie, but the core of a growing mystery that challenges everything humanity knows about the history of the Earth. The Abyssal Megalodon was the undisputed ruler of the ancient seas. With teeth the size of a human hand and a bite force capable of crushing a small car, it was the largest shark to ever exist. Conventional science dictates that this behemoth went extinct approximately 3.6 million years ago due to cooling oceans and a decline in its primary food source, the small whales of the Pliocene epoch. However, a persistent and haunting hypothesis has begun to surface among maritime explorers and fringe researchers. The theory suggests that the megalodon did not disappear, but instead retreated. It proposes that the predator moved into the deep ocean trenches, adapting to a world of extreme pressure and absolute darkness. To understand how such a creature could survive, one must look at the nature of the abyss. The deep sea remains 95% unexplored, a vast frontier of liquid darkness that could easily hide a species of any size. Proponents of the survival theory point to the discovery of the megamouth shark in 1976, a large species that remained hidden from science for centuries. If a 15-foot shark could stay invisible, why not a 60-foot titan? The hypothesis suggests the megalodon underwent a biological shift, perhaps slowing its metabolism or evolving to hunt the giant squid and other massive cephalopods that inhabit the lower depths. The tension in this investigation peaks when considering modern sonar anomalies and unconfirmed footage from deep-sea oil rigs. Several reports from commercial vessels describe massive acoustic signatures that do not match any known whale or submarine. In some instances, specialized equipment designed to track seafloor movement has detected heat signatures moving at speeds inconsistent with any recorded deep-sea fish. There is a terrifying possibility that the megalodon has become a phantom of the Twilight Zone, lurking just beyond the reach of our current technology. The idea that a biological relic of the Pliocene is watching our ships from the depths below is a thought that chills even the most seasoned oceanographers. If these sightings are real, it would mean the apex predator is simply waiting for its time to rise again. While the scientific community remains skeptical, requiring a physical specimen or clear, high-definition evidence to rewrite history, the ocean continues to whisper its secrets. The abyss is a place where time seems to stand still, and the rules of biology are constantly being rewritten. Whether the megalodon is a ghost of the past or a hidden resident of the present remains one of the greatest questions of our time. Until every inch of the trench is mapped, the legend of the super tyrant shark will continue to haunt the imagination of those who dare to look into the deep. The king of the ocean may not be dead. It might just be deep in thought, swimming in the eternal night of the world beneath the waves.